रणबीर कपूर किसी न किसी वजह से कंट्रोवर्सी में रहते हैं। 2024 के इफ्फी गोवा में एक्टर के साथ स्पेशल इंटरेक्शन हुआ। इस दौरान रणबीर ने कई सारे चौंकाने वाले खुलासे किए। आलिया भट्ट से लेकर फिल्म एनिमल में हुए खून खराबे पर एक्टर ने खुलकर बात की और साथ ही कपूर खानदान की सिनेमा में लेगेसी पर अपनी बात रखी। सामने आए वीडियो में सुनिए कि रणबीर ने क्या कुछ खुलासा किया है।
Raj Saab had great affinity for music, and he's had memorable songs. More than half the songs that were composed by him, which your Bua used to play on the piano, and I heard songs from him when I joined him in '68. I heard songs which were used in Bobby and then in Ram Teri Gangamedi. They were with him from all that time. How is that going to affect you? Is the music going to affect you?
I think first speaking about his music, I think he was very lucky to partner with such genius talents, like Shankar Jaikishan, Lakshmikant Pyarelal, Mukesh, Lata Mangeshkar, lyricists like Hasrat Jaipuri, Shailendra, and I think they were truly close friends. And for them, making music was not work; it was a passion, So to work the entire day, and then everybody used to come over, and then they should just have their music sittings. So it was their way of parting. They really enjoyed that process. And I think Raj Kapoor was a very learned man. If it was literature, if it was music, if it was playing an instrument, it came very easy to him. So music has been such a big contribution to his career. And then over the years, I've often heard my father also say that music, if you hear today's music and you hear the music back then, there's so much of a difference in the poetry, in the writing, in the catchphrase of the song. Everything has become now like a reel, it's just a minute. You have a minute of a good stanza, and that's enough. So it is kind of sad that music in Indian movies is kind of dying. Excuse me. But I hope, I think music is so much a part of our culture, so much a part of our celebration. When we watch a Hindi movie, we want to see it all. We want to see action, comedy, romance, emotion. We want to hear good songs. We want to dance. There are so many filmmakers now that I speak to who are working in my generation who are saying that they are finding it harder to write a story where they can incorporate music, where the protagonist, both the leads are singing songs. Of course, there are pros to it also, because today you can't have a movie based on a medical couple who are singing songs behind trees, so there has to be some realism attached also. But I really hope that, the music culture comes back, and we celebrate music like how he used to.
See, Raj Saab, when he had these songs made, which I heard way back in '68, he did not know who the hero would be, who the characters. And one of the songs was from Bobby, Jhoot Bole Kawa Kaate, something I heard in '68. Then I heard the one from Ram Teri Gangamedi, Sun Saiba Sun. So these were just songs created in which he finally found situations from. Come back to music.
I think another thing which I've heard over the years, that when he was making Sangam, one of my favorite films of his, he wanted to cast Vijayantimala, and her name was Radha, and she was not agreeing to do the film. So he sent her a text. I don't know what it used to be called at that time.
It was a telegram.
A telegram.
And that was...
Sorry? It wasn't a call, it was like a telegram.
It was a telegram he sent her.
So he said, Bol Radha Bol, Sangam hoga ke nahi, like the word Sangam, and she sent a telegram back saying, Hoga, Hoga, Hoga. And that became the song.
That became the song. See, he would find any situation. But I must tell you something which is a little strange and a little funny about his songs. It's in my book. I think you've read it. At a song sitting for Mera Naam Joker, I first time went for a sitting, and there was Raj Kapoor, Shankar ji, Jaikishan ji, Hasrat Saab, Shailendra ji, Mukesh ji. So all these stalwarts, for me it was a great fanboy moment. seeing all these people together, and they got down to discussing the song. And like all music directors have dummy words in a song just to get a sense. When Shankarji started singing the dummy words, I did not know if I should jump out of a window or I should, just bang my head and die. Because he sang the dummy words. Jitni maa bahan ki gaaliyan thi. If you could imagine, there was this man singing with all these maa bahan ki gaaliyan. And I was shocked, hearing that. और फिर डिस्कशन भी हो रहा था कि एक काम करते हैं, even your grandfather, शंकर एक काम करते हैं, वो माँ की चेंज करके बहन की कर देते हैं. This is how they went, this is how, and they made great songs out of it. And your grandfather was very fond of eating. I think that was in your family. Are you a foodie also, Ranjan?
I am, but in today's day and age, it's become an occupational hazard. You have to. It's a visual medium, so you can't let loose. So I've had my mother's side also, who's always kind of controlling. She's always, put it in our heads that you have to be healthy, and you look at your family. They have so many problems of, ailments and all of that. So I've really taken more towards my mom's side and father's side. Not out of choice, just because I knew that I had to be an actor and I had to listen.
Yeah, I've seen your father eating a piece of pav, putting a jalebi in that, butter and jalebi, and eating that. And I said, sir, what are you eating? He said, is it written anywhere that I can't? I said, no, it's not written, but it's not done. He said, there's a better way to eat it. And he dipped it in tomato ketchup.
I remember another story, I think, of Mr. Prithvi Raj Kapoor, when they all were staying together in Jimbur, and he had to be on a diet because he had to start shooting Mughal-e-Azam, I think, at that time. And he told my grandmother that I need to be on a diet. So start, give me some diet food. So she gave him a salad to eat, and he ate the salad. And after the salad, he told his chef to bring the real food because he's had his diet khana. Now he'll have the real food. So I don't think they understood the concept of diet at that age, that time.
But with your legacy, and I'm sure you'll make a very good film. I hope so. And you have the blessing of your father, one of the most gifted actors we've ever had. And your fourth generation, you're the fourth generation of filmmakers over there. 5 generations, your 4 generations have worked in a film. That was in Awara. Your great-grandfather, Papaji's father was there, Prithviraj Kapoorji was there, Dad was there, Shami Uncle was there, and Dabu Saab was there. So
also, Mr. Prithviraj Kapoor's father was the judge.
Yeah, he was there also, that. So we really look forward to this. And I think people would like to ask you some questions. But I just like to say one thing to everyone. This session is about Ranbir and his grandfather. So, let's not have anything personal.
There's nothing controversial in my life nowadays. So.
रणबीर कपूर का ये इंटरेक्शन इस वक्त चर्चा में है. इस पर आपका क्या कहना है हमें कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर बताएं. एंड एंटरटेनमेंट वर्ल्ड अपडेट्स के लिए देखते रहिए एनएन बॉलीवुड एंड न्यूज नेशन डिजिटल. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग.
न्यूज नेशन अब व्हाट्सएप पर. खबरों की ताजा अपडेट के लिए न्यूज नेशन के इस QR कोड को स्कैन करें.